So if I talk about the infinitive, so infinitive is a basic form of verb, a verb with two plus base form of the verb, so it called infinitive. It's performed in many ways in a sentence. Okay, it performs sometime as a subject, it performs as an object, it performs as an adjective, adverb. These type of it works in a sentence. Okay, so let me explain one by one. If I talk about as a subject, so when two plus base form means two plus first form of the verb comes in starting at the sentence, so it means it's a subject. There are three major parts. Every sentence has three major parts: subject, verb, and object. So verb can be any type of verb. It can be base verb, it can be helping verb, auxiliary verb, or main verb. Okay, it comes at in a place of subject, so it is called as subjective infinitive. Okay, so let me tell you, to swim is easy. To swim is easy means the process of swimming is very easy. Okay, to practice English very important. Okay, so to help others is so important. To help other is very generous thing. So you can see there's to help, to learn, to process, to do, to wear, to eat. So whichever is coming in the place of subject, so it is called subjective infinitive. Okay, it plays the role of subject. When it comes in the place of object, whenever it comes in the place of objective, to plus verb the first form, so it is called objective infinitive. Okay, such as I need what I need to improve myself, to improve. Okay,
Yes.
I decided to learn English, to learn English. So to learn, to improve, these are using these words are coming in the place of object. These are playing the role of object. So that is called objective infinitive. Okay. So I need to improve communication skill. I decided to learn English. She wants to dance. She wants. What does she want? Dance. To dance. Okay. They hoped to pass the test. So to pass the test, to pass, to dance, to learn, to improve, these are our object. Okay, sometimes it is work as a compliment. Compliment, it's not a compliment, I'm talking about the praise or admire. It's a compliment which complete the sentence. Sometimes our sentence is not complete, so it completes the sentence. Okay, the compliment is a word or phrase or clause which complete the sentence to make a proper sense. Okay, so as a compliment, how does it work? Let me tell you. My dream is my dream is, so I can say that what is my dream? To become a teacher, to become.
To become a
Okay, so yeah, it's completing the sense of the sentence. Okay, my job is to teach. My job is teaching. Any teaching is my job. So my job is to teach. It's completing the sentence. Okay. The most important things too was learn English. To learn English. To learn is our complementary sentence. Okay.
yes.
So on that place, it is using as a complementary. Okay. The next one is as an adverb. Okay, sometimes it works as an adverb. Okay, so do you know what is adverb? Yeah,
Adverb.
uh,
Yes.
adverb is a word that describes a verb.
Verb. Yes.
Adverb describes a verb. Sometimes it describes an adjective and another adverb and a particular sentence also. Okay, if
For
I talk
example, he run fast. He
fast,
run
yeah,
fast. So
he runs
that
fast.
fast is
So
adverb.
adverb, yeah, sometimes it is the also describe the adverb. He runs
Okay.
fast. Yeah. So he write very quickly. Okay, I said well. So let me give you an example. I am excited. So it is complete sentence. I'm excited. But if I want to describe the excited word, so I can say to go home, to go there, to go.
Yes.
Okay,
To
I'm
go.
excited to go. I'm excited to go there. And my friend took a selfie to post on Instagram. To post. Okay, he called me, it's enough to say. But why there's a question arises, why he called me? So I can say that he called me to borrow money, to borrow.
Borrow.
Okay,
Okay. To
so
borrow.
in these sentence, to go, to post, to borrow, so these are our adverb. Okay,
Adverb.
because these are describing the adverb. The next one and the last, this it is work as an adjective. Okay, so as we know that adjective describes the noun. Okay, adjective describes
Adjective
a noun,
describe the noun.
so it is going to do the work as an adjective. Okay, so the children need a garden. The children need a garden to play. Okay, so a garden is a noun and it describes the noun. Practice, I need a place to practice. I need a place, so it describes the place to practice. Okay, I don't have anything to wear. I don't have anything. Anything, something, it's included in noun. So
Noun.
for what? To wear. Okay,
Where?
would you like something? Would you like something to drink, to eat, to wear? Okay,
Yes.
so garden to play, place to live, phone to use, and bike to ride, anything to wear, something to eat. These are our adjectives. That's all, whatever I
Yes.
wanted to tell you. So I hope you have understand
No, no. I don't have
understood.
any doubt. Any doubt I don't have because
Okay,
you
okay,
explained very well and I understand now. And mm, actually, I haven't prepared about it, and
okay.
just I just concentrate on just speaking, and sometimes I concentrate on idioms, and sometimes I advanced
Structures.
structure. Yes, so this
Yeah,
kind of thing I was concentrate, but these things are literally different from this, and I
yeah,
haven't I haven't read about it.
idea. Yeah,
Yes,
because structure, if we are talking about an idiom, so idiom are the ready-made phrase, we
yes,
whatever we use. Okay, and if
yes,
we are talking about this advanced structure, this is also a ready-made structure we use in a sentence. But these are
yes,
different things. These plays are different role and different sentences.
yes. Yes, yes, absolutely.
Yeah,
And if you
yeah,
wanted to be a teacher, so these things will going to help you. And if
yeah,
you wanted to teach someone, if you wanted to teach your child,
yeah.
English of grammar, all these things, so that time you can use this all.
Yeah, if we want to become a teacher, so we should have knowledge about that. If we
Yes,
are going to teach a grammar, so we should have knowledge about grammar, then we can explain the grammar. If we
yes,
are
yes,
unable to understand, so how can we explain to our student?
yes,
So we must have the knowledge of grammar if we want to become a teacher. If otherwise we are improving our skills, so it's enough that